Hello, it's Blake Tucker, aka Dr. Inkwell. I don't want you to drink more, I want you to drink well. I'm very excited this week to showcase a partnership between Taste Catering and Blind Tiger Ice. As you may know, I'm the beverage director for Taste Catering, and when COVID-19 hit, we pivoted and we created Hospitality Helps, which is a nonprofit initiative with Meals on Wheels to provide meals to those in need. To help with our fundraising efforts, we're now selling 5 custom-etched ice cubes for $10, and $3 of that goes to Hospitality Helps. So this is a great way for you to get cool, custom ice cubes at home and feel good about your purchase. Working with this clear ice is great, but there is a couple things you need to know. You need to temper the ice just like you temper chocolate. Tempering is when you bring the entire substance to the same temperature. That's where that word comes from. So when you take one of these cubes out of your freezer, you'll see how it's frosty. So what's happening here is that the temperature of your freezer is super, super cold. If you put alcohol in this, it's going to break the cube. Because when you pour liquid over the top, it's going to accentuate the temperature differential in the cube, and the cube will break. When your cube is entirely the same temperature, only then will it start to melt. And these cubes last a long time because they're maximized surface area. So you can see these tempered cubes are perfectly clear, whereas this one that just came out of the freezer is not. And I'm going to demonstrate the temperature for you. So here, let's take a look with our thermometer. And this cube that's fresh out of the freezer is about 25 or 26 degrees Fahrenheit. Now if I measure that against the temperature of one of these cubes, you'll see these are going to linger right at about 32 degrees, because that is right at the melting point. And that's what makes them perfectly clear. The entire cube is the same temperature. These cubes are great for any drink, but I in particular like them on spirit-forward drinks, so I'm going to show you how to make a classic Sazerac this week. To do that, you'll need 2 vessels, because you'll need to coat the glass with absinthe while you stir the drink in another vessel. I have this awesome Dr. Inkwell stirring vessel, which says don't drink more, drink well, booze freaks. First step with the Sazerac is you want to ice your mixing vessel. And then you want to add 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Then you'll need 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, 3 dashes of Peychaud bitters. This is the classic ingredient that makes a Sazerac a Sazerac. It's got a pastis-y cherry kind of flavor. I really love a Sazerac made the classic way. Modern cocktails will make this from rye, but the original conception was out of cognac. And I find this Pierre Ferrand 1840 Premier Cru cognac to be amazing in a Sazerac. So try this if you can find it. So you'll need 2 ounces of cognac. And then you just want to stir that. After you're done stirring, you want to grab your absinthe, either with an atomizer or sprayer, or just pour a little bit inside your glass, and you want to coat the inside of that glass with absinthe. Atomizers are amazing, they simplify the job. Then add your super cool Hospitality Helps ice cube, and just strain in. The last step here, of course, is the garnish. That's a lemon twist. You want to get a nice lemon oil finish on the top of that cube. Look at that spray. That's exactly what you want. And then you can just take your little ribbon, drop it on top. And you get to showcase that cool Hospitality Helps ice cube. Let's give it a try. Oh, that 1840 really makes this drink wonderful. Again, go to home delivery at Blind Tiger Ice. You can find the Hospitality Helps cubes there. $10 for 5 cubes, available within the Bay Area. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next week.